Hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will explain a trade which I took few weeks back, and this trade was an IPO based trade, and the name of the stock is Yatra Online. Let's get deep dive into the trade. And this is a trade which I took. See, there is a strong IPO base that is forming, and you can see there is a structure that is forming, and I was waiting for the highs to break. So there is a strong structure, and there is a shakeout here on this day, and then again it started to move up, and then I was planning to enter above this range, and it broke above that range, and I entered with a stop of around 2 to 2.3%, and this day it went around 7% up, and again on the end of the day it squatted, and what I did was my stop loss was below 2 to 3 to 2.3%. Still my stop loss was not hit. This kind of price action is not good, so I decided to exit my whole position here, and next day it hit my stop loss and then went up. Before I exited the whole quantity, again it started to go up for consecutively for the 4 to 5 days, and then started to consolidate with 2 to 3 candles, and then it gave a high all-time high breakout, and then it started to move consecutively high for next 2 to 3 days, and it gave around 20% in 3 days, and now it's started to consolidate and taking support on the 20 EMA. The main key here is that in IPO basis the stocks are very volatile, so you have to follow your stop. What the mistake I made here is that I didn't follow my stop. I exited on the same day, but still it's okay because these kind of price actions will make the price fall fast. So to reduce my risk, I exited this trade on the same day which it squatted. It's okay to miss some trades, but you have to learn from the trade what you made. So this was one of the trade which I missed, and I got stopped out because of this squat, and again started to move. Always keep in mind that IPO bases are always volatile, and you have to bear that volatility and maintain the proper risk management rule where you will survive with a proper risk. And the entry and exit of this trade which I took was posted in my Twitter account, where you can review my trade. And again this stock is setting up. We can look for a tight flag entry here. Let's wait and see. The wicks are huge, but still let's wait and see how the stock setups for the next week. If it started to break this range, we can see some new highs into the stock. The same kind of structure is seen in network technologies. Gave a big 40% move and then consolidated and took support on 20 EMA, and again it went 40%. Patterns repeat, so we have to train our eyes to identify those patterns and place our entry on the right spot and manage our risk as low as possible. That's it.
For the Twitter account is in the description of this video, guys. If you're very serious about trading, you can join that. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, believe in it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.